Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruth Nanda here, aka Lo. What's good? What's popping? Definitely hit the subscription button down below if this is your first time on my channel. Okay, thank you for stopping through, sis. Appreciate it. And if you're coming back because you're a regular Lo Gang member, then thanks, sis. Thank you. Okay, thanks for stopping through again. So guys, as you guys can tell from the thumbnail and the title, we are going to be getting this bomb ass, okay, curl and color. So if you're interested, definitely make sure you keep watching and hit the subscribe button down below and thumbs up this video because you girls trying, your girls trying to be consistent, and you know you want to see more videos like this, so you got to let me know that you're interested. Okay, so thumbs up this video and look in the description box if you want to go ahead and purchase the product that will be in this video for this bomb hair color. Okay, so let's get into what this product is, which is the ORS Curls on Leech Hair Wax Hair Color Blast. I definitely, let me make sure it's focused. Okay, I definitely picked this up at the Target, okay, for about $6 or $7. So it's worth the money, sis, worth the money. So if you guys want to see how I went ahead and did this look, because you know I don't want to keep y'all too long, then keep watching.
Bitches with hair perm, now I like it natural, actual, factual, naps and shit. Bougie still do ratchet shit.
Hey guys, so I'm popping in, do a little talk through. So we will be using the curls on Leech, like I told you guys before. So make sure you get your gloves ready, and the color is sangria. I forgot to mention that. So if you guys are interested, that's the color. This is a continuation from my wash day that I had put up earlier on my channel. If you did not see it, I will link it up above. It's just one of my wash day routines. I just want to let you guys see it. So yeah, all I have in my hair is my Aunt Jackie's leave-in. So I'm just going to continue to detangle my hair, make sure everything is okay, tangle free. And then we're going to start to apply this color, child. Now let me tell you something. I didn't even believe this thing was really going to work. But as you guys can see my face, baby, it does work. I was shocked to my foundation. I didn't even think it was gonna really like take. I thought this was gonna be a crackable, you know what I'm saying? Like everybody's using this thing, they doing something special, or they got light color hair compared to me. But sis, no, that's not the case. It's not the case at all. So I try to get all the dark spots as much as possible, run it through, praying hands method and everything. And of course, you're probably gonna miss some spots because you can't see all over your head, but making sure you get the basis is the main part, because you know you want your style to look popping, you know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and tried to apply this wax to the majority of my hair in sections. As you guys can tell, you see how some of the pieces in the roots are a little dark, but hey girl, hey, listen, it's all for kicks and giggles, all for fun. We just want a little pop in our lives, because in reality I was missing color and I just don't have the balls to sit here and go and color my hair all the way again. So this is my second to best option that I'm using, which is this wax, and I'm planning on getting a different color. So if you guys definitely are interested in seeing what other stuff I will be coming up with, or whatever colors I'll be trying on my hair, making sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you know every time I upload, so you guys won't miss that video. So you know, girl. So right now I'm still working in sections and making sure I go from the roots to the ends to the roots, either way it goes, just making sure I don't create tangles in this process, because girl, nobody got time for that, especially applying this wax, because I'll tell you, this wax does get a little drying. So yeah. So next, guys, the way to take off the wax is using alcohol on a cotton ball and just wiping off your face, because you do not know how this is going to react to your skin. And I just don't want y'all to be blaming me like, sis, girl, you have my skin messed up. So make sure you wiping it off with a little alcohol. That should do it. I'm going to actually be blowing my hair out because I want to have a stretch style, a stretch look for this style. So I will be using my B&B or Bumble and Bumble heat protectant. So I'm also using the tension method I have done this on my channel already before. If not, I will link a video up above if you're interested in how to do the tension method to help, you know, with straightening your hair as far as in a blowout state. So now that my hair is blown out, I am going to start to style my hair. So this is how my hair looks. Not too crazy, you know what I'm saying? Get the basics of the basics to have a cute look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair. These are gonna be kind of medium, not small, Bantu knots. So this particular section is what I'm gonna use for one Bantu knot, and I'm using my good old faithful. If you are OG part of Low Gang for a minute, you will know like Eden Body Works was my jam. Not even was, but is my jam, because that's good old faithful. That curler cream is a staple. Okay, you guys need to get it if you have not gotten it or do not have it in your curly products. They like, the cream is everything. So I'm just using that in some of my oil, and you guys did see this video or me trying out these products is Oma, I can't even pronounce it. I completely forgot how to pronounce it, but it's on my channel. I will link up above. Their products are good, and her oil is everything. And like I told you guys, I'm trying to grow my hair out a little, and that oil is working. So I'm using that to seal my hair, because I usually do the LCO method, leave-in, cream, and oil. So that is what I did to this section, and we'll be doing on the rest of my head. So make sure you guys are hydrating, because I told you earlier that this hair wax is very drying. So make sure you hydrate if you don't hydrate before applying the wax, because you're gonna need it for your hair. It's very drying. That's my only negative about the hair wax. I don't know, I haven't tried any other brand. Let me know if there's any other brand out there that's a little bit more hydrating, but this one is drying, so I just know I have to apply some real moisture before applying the wax, or after, either or, just to make sure it's hydrated and doesn't break off. And sometimes my Bantu knots don't stay, so the way you can keep them is getting some bobby pins and just bobby pinning your Bantu knot so that it doesn't come unravel. And this is, my Bantu knots are looking raggedy, but I just wanted this to be a kind of effortless style, quick effortless style. So I just redid some of my Bantu knots, but they're not all perfect. They're just basic, but it's supposed to be an easy, simple style. So now I'm done. I did my brows, y'all. I also did my brows with the same wax. I just took this, I think it is a spoolie, or I think that is a spoolie. And I just dipped it in the wax, and I brushed it on my brows. And yes, sis, I'm over here looking like something futuristic. And my curls is coming out bomb. After it was dried, it came out really bomb. I got some good definition, and I really, really liked it. Guys, so to give you my final thoughts before we wrap up, all right, because I had to come back and give my thoughts. The only thing I can say is that the wax is very drying if you decide to straighten your hair or blow out your hair and then apply it. honey, your hair is dry, okay? Dry. So make sure you hydrate, okay? That's one thing I should have done before I even went ahead and blew out my hair and applied this chunk, is hydrate a little bit more than leave it, okay? So the curl cream definitely helped loosen up a little bit and give the moisture back into the hair that it was missing. But sis, it's extra dry, okay? So I wish they would put a little extra moisture up in here, because you know we got natural hair and our hair dries quickly. So I wish they put a little moisture in this hair wax. That's all my thoughts is on that. But, and it's really messy. Sis, look at my hands. It's red and I took my hair out. Child. But the look though, it's everything, okay? I can clean up this mess, but the look is everything. So yes, y'all, I am feeling it, okay? I'm feeling it. And all this is like literally under $10, okay? To do this whole style. So, okay, $10, baby. Yeah, you know, matter of fact, no, under 20. Let's just say 20. Because the Eden Body Works is maybe about a little $7, $8. This is about a little $7, $8, okay? And get some bobby pins and hair pins. It's a little $1 from the dollar store. So yeah, let's say roughly under $20, okay? To get this whole shebang, okay? So yeah, I know y'all like this. I know y'all like these type of videos, so thumbs up this video so I know, okay? And I'm not assuming here. And hit the subscription button down below so you can subscribe to the channel, okay? So you can know whenever I upload, and hit the notification bell. Actually, that's how you know when I upload. Hit the subscription button to join the low gang, okay? I hope that makes sense. All right. Well, I'm not gonna keep y'all anymore. So until next time, guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.